Let me see you all take out all your stationery. I'd asked you all to get jumbled stationery. Let me see if you all have it. Vihan, you have jumbled stationery?
Yeah.
Yes, good. Earbuds are a part of toiletries. Okay, it's not a part of stationery. So we don't want that too. But if you want to include it, you can. Okay, you want to include it, Pranav, you can. But it's not a part of stationery. Okay, go get earbuds if you want to. Yes, Ranveer, keep them all together. You want to get earbuds, you can do.
I got sharpener also. What do we do with that?
You wait a minute, I'll tell you what to do. Maza aayega abhi. We are what is the topic that we are learning right now in life skills? Who can tell me? What is the topic we are learning in life skills right now? अरे 1 week में भूल जाते हो क्या? हाय हाय.
Presentation.
No.
Sharpener.
Okay. Subhan, what is the topic we are learning in life skills right now? What is the topic?
I think that 65 Japan's presentation.
Correct, Tanishka. Thank you. Yes. The 5S, that is what we are learning. Siri.
5x principle. Siri, Seton, CSO, TXO,
You addressed only 4, Ranveer. There are 5 principles. Siri. Siri, Seton,
CSO, TXO,
Very good. Thank you. Thank you.
Ma'am, I got only 1 pen.
Yes, Tanishka. Okay, everybody sit down. Everybody sit down. All of you sit down. See, I have a bunch of pencils. Okay.
I have bunch of pens.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have bunch of all.
You have a bunch of all. Very good. You have a bunch of flowers also. Do you have a bunch of flowers also?
No.
Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, I got only a single pen.
Go get two more. You have it in your box, no?
1, 2, 3,
Okay,
4,
good.
5, 6,
All right.
7.
Now
8,
let's do
9,
one
10.
thing. All right, everyone, let's start the activity. Let's mix up everything. सब चीज को एक साथ mix करके रख दो. सारे pencils, erasers, sharpeners, सबको एक साथ mix करके रख दो.
I'm going to become a clutter.
Yeah, make it a clutter. Good. That's the correct word. That's absolutely the right word, Ranveer. Make a clutter. That's absolutely the right word. Make a clutter. मतलब पूरा कचरा जैसा बना के रख दो. Make a clutter. Spelling is C-L-U-P-T-E-R. Clutter. मतलब everything is jumbled up. Everything's messed up. Yes, Pranav.
Ma'am, it is not fitting in our hand. Ma'am, it is not fitting.
Keep it on the floor. Mess it up and keep it on the floor.
Ma'am, I got these. I want to see.
Vihan, mess it up and leave it on the floor. Yes, Ranveer, that's a very good clutter. Ranveer, hold it right there. Let me just see if we can click a snap of the clutter. Wait.
Man, there's a book under it.
That's okay. That's good clutter. Who else can show me their clutter? और कौन अपना कचरा मुझे दिखा सकता है? पूरा स्टेज Good clutter. Tanishka, show me your clutter. अपना पूरा कचरा दिखाओ तो स्टेशनरी कचरा.
1 minute, ma'am.
Yes, Subhan, I can see your clutter. Nice. Good mess up. Good, very good. मतलब तुम लोगों को कचरा करने आता है. Very nice.
Clutter. Look at it, ma'am. I have photo of mine.
Yes, I did.
See my clutter.
Yes, Tanishka, where is your clutter? Let me just take a look at it. Oh, that's
See?
super clutter. Very good.
Look, it's a super cluttered tree.
Ma'am, see? Ma'am, see?
Yes, Pranav, I saw it. Yes, Ranveer, I
It's
saw
my
it. Yes, Subhan, I saw it.
clutter.
Vihan, show me your clutter in your hand. Yes, Vihan, I saw it.
Look at it, ma'am. Look at it.
Yes.
And now can I set it down?
No, wait. Now take out your notebook. Take out your life skills notebook.
Yeah, I just set it in.
Take out your life skills notebook. Children, when you're moving your phone or your device here and there, take care you don't drop it. Huh?
Yes. Shall I remove?
Notebooks. Take out your notebooks.
Remove, ma'am.
Okay. Removed. क्या चीज निकाला? Removed. किस चीज को निकाल दिया वहां से?
Remove. I remove my life skill notebook, ma'am.
I have taken out my life skill notebook. I have not removed it. Okay, I have taken it out. Now, all of you have pencils in your clutter. Pencil है उसमें?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Eraser है?
Yes, ma'am.
No.
Do you have pencil? Then just write pencil as a heading. Okay, wait a minute. I'll show you exactly how to write it. Wait a minute.
What I should write? And from your kinetic one pen, from the crotter.
Ma'am, do I have to write it with a pen or a pencil?
I would say start it with a pencil. See, can you see what I'm writing? Yeah, I've written items. उसके नीचे I have numbered them and I am writing pencils, pens, erasers. Write the next items you all have. I think you all have sharpeners. Yeah, you all have sharpeners. उसके नीचे 4 number लिखो और लिखो sharpener.
Right.
See, I have written it like this.
Can we write earbud?
See, I have written it like this. You all can see what I've written? Yeah, you can see what I've written? Okay. Just casually look around and tell me what all items you have. उसको 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 करो और उसके नाम लिखते जाओ. Vihan, would you like to follow what I'm telling you?
Ma'am, I have
not written pencil. I have written pencils.
Okay, pencils. The first item you've written is pencils. Now do this. Leave your pencil aside. The writing pencil जो है तुम्हारा उसको side में छोड़ दो. You're not going to include that in your clutter, okay? तुम्हारा जो clutter है उसमें तुम्हारे writing pencil को तुम include नहीं करोगे. Okay? Because you need it. You need it for the activity. Okay? So don't include the writing pencil in that clutter. All right? Now, you're going to draw a line and do this. Count. Can you see this? See, we wrote items here and we wrote the list of items. एक line बनाओ यहाँ पे and write the heading here as count. Subhan, are you following?
Ma'am, if you are using a pencil, you should even keep the eraser with us. You cannot include an eraser in the clutter also.
If you want to use an eraser, keep it aside. Don't include it in your clutter right now.
Wait, I'll leave the eraser.
Okay. Write here a heading as count. जहाँ पे item लिखा था उसके बाजू में यहाँ पे count लिखो. Now the first item all of you have written is pencils, right? Let's count the number of pencils we have. Each of you count the number of pencils you have.
One pencil with what I am writing, I will not count that, no?
No, you will not count that. Now count the number of pencils you have.
I can count this properly.
Oh, done.
And write it here. Okay?
Ma'am, maybe can I eat my snack?
Not now. Is it already time for snacks? Okay, fine, go. Okay. Okay. Everyone else ready? Pick up all the pencils that you have, separate them, and count the
I
number of
have so
pencils
many
you have.
pencils, ma'am.
Listen to me. Pick up all the pencils that you can see in the clutter. Okay.
And put them aside.
Put it aside, count them.
Ma'am, you are on mute.
Yeah. Separate all the
Arrange the correct
pencils.
amount.
Separate all the pencils from the clutter. Keep the pencils aside. If your clutter is in front of you,
Hello.
pick all the pencils और उसको एक side में रख दो. Okay. Write the number of pencils. Now, what is the next name on your list?
Pen. Pens.
Pen.
Pen.
No,
Let's
ma'am.
pick up all the pens. If it is pen,
Oh.
children, if it is pen, pick up all the pens, count them, and keep them aside. If the
How
next
much
thing that you have
pens
written on your list is pens, then count the number of pens and keep them aside. Okay? And write here. Write it here like this. Okay? Now, in the same format, count everything that you have. Pick everything that you have one by one and start counting them.
10. Crayons.
You have written erasers, you have written sharpeners, you have written scales, you have written earbuds, you have written paper, you have written crayons. If you don't have crayons with you right now, don't bother going and getting them to count them. जो list of Tanishka, good job. जो list of things तुम्हारे पास है उनको count करो और इस format में लिखना है सुभान. You have to write it in this format. Items here, the count is here, and each of the items counts. You're going to write here like this.
Oh my God.
Have you
Ma'am,
all done that? Yes.
ma'am, I have written stapler pins.
Okay.
Ma'am, it can be done. Ma'am, but how can I count?
It's one box, no? It's a whole box, no? So you will count it as one.
Ma'am, I want to write
Okay.
so many.
Have you all
Ma'am,
sorted the items and counted them? See,
ma'am,
we are doing
ma'am,
the
I have.
we are doing the
Ma'am, I
first
have-
step. We are doing the first step of the 5S principle. We are sorting. We are sorting. We are doing the first step of the 5S principle. We are sorting. Now, when you sort, you have to always make a list. जब जब sort करोगे तुम्हें एक list जरूर बनाना पड़ेगा. तभी sorting का मतलब होगा. Only then the sorting will have meaning. अगर सब चीज को अलग अलग करोगे लेकिन उसका लिस्ट नहीं बनाओगे तो वापस क्लटर होने वाला है. Right? Subhan, are you getting it? Are you counting?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Now,
Done.
Pranav, you are asking about the earbud. You have a full pack of earbud. Does that earbud on the pack say how many are there in it? No. Okay. See, right now, one big reason why I did not ask you to get earbuds is, if you're going to get single earbuds, it is easy. But if you're going to get something in a packet, there is a different way in which you will... Shh. If you're going to get something in a packet which has multiple things inside it, there's a different way to sort that. Okay? When you're sorting things individually like this, इनको सॉर्ट करने का तरीका अलग है. बट अगर तुम पैकेट में सामान लाने वाले हो फिर उनको सॉर्ट करने का तरीका अलग है. ओके? इसलिए अगर तुम्हारे पास कुछ भी एक पैकेट में है तो उसको हम अभी नहीं टच करेंगे. We will do the sorting of that packet items later.
I already sorted this get pencil.
Okay. So if you have something in a packet, I just now said we are not going to include it in making this list right now. Keep it aside. Keep
We
it
will take two. We will take two.
Okay.
11
Okay, then I'm taking
Ranveer, please. No, that's not how you should do it. Please listen to what is being told. Don't take things out of a packet. Do not take things out of a packet. Pranav, please don't take the earbuds out of the packet. I allowed
Yes,
for
ma'am.
earbuds assuming they were kept individually. If they are in a packet, do not take them.
Ma'am,
2.
ma'am, but I have erasers like this inside a packet.
Are they
Papers.
in a pack of multiple erasers?
No.
Please understand what I'm
Earbuds.
trying to say. When you have a bunch of things in one pack, we are not going to use that right now. What?
The eraser section.
No, let it be there. Okay? Oof. Everybody has sorted what things they have. See, that's why I gave a list of things to you all, right? I gave you all a list of things. Pencils, erasers, only stationery items. Crayons, loose crayons. I gave you all a list. There was a reason to give you all a list. Okay? Sorted it, done. Sorting हो गया. तो क्या कर रहे हो सुभान फिर? Sorting हो गया, पूछा तो बोल रहे हो नहीं किया, फिर बोल रहे हो हाँ किया.
And look at this.
Done.
Like this.
Okay, done.
Two pencil box.
Okay.
Eraser,
Good,
pencil,
good, good, good. 1 minute, Ranveer. Wow, you sorted it very well. Show me again. Show me again.
1 minute, ma'am. Look, these are the pencils.
Okay.
Ma'am, I want to ask.
Okay.
These are the
Good. That's
erasers.
nice. Okay, fine. ठीक है.
These are the pencil and pen.
All right, children.
Ma'am, what will we write of earbuds packet?
My God, I explained so much in detail that we are not going to take anything that comes inside a packet. If there's a bunch of it inside a packet, do not take it. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. हो गया? Sorted? Okay. Now, please pack up the items. Quickly take a break. We are going to do the rest of the work later. Okay?